Winter Lights, A Season of Poems and Quilts by Anna Grossnickel-Hines. Starcatcher. Overnight, an icicle grew, catching the stars above my window. Now, in the sunlight, it sets them free. Fireplace. Elf-like, flames flit on crimson logs. One little candle. One little candle, a flickering light, prancing and playing, pushing back the night. A hop-skipping flame, putting on a show. Mighty little candle sets the room aglow. Protest. Oh no, how can this be? The sun tires out way before me. Lights out. I pull the covers over my head and let out a few snores for good measure. Then snap on my flashlight and open my book. Now this is reading for pleasure. Solstice. December has the longest nights of any in the year. In centuries past, folks were afraid the sun would disappear. They lit grand fires to bring it back with feasting and good cheer. A sight to see. Aurora Borealis. Aurora Borealis. The words ring out in a joyful shout. Come see this amazing sight. The shifting colors, a billowing curtain of swirling, swooping light. Aurora Borealis. Aurora Borealis. The words slip out in a whisper. Wow. Artist. Bright as a light bulb, round as a pie, the moon glows full in a winter sky. It's high overhead, but far below, the moon paints pictures on the blue, white snow.